Lights, camera, service. I bet you thought I was going to say action, right? Well, can service be action? I think so. We're going to be exploring this subject this coming Sunday on the Let's Talk Fabulous show, where our Fab Five hosts, Tamara L. Hunter, will be joined by a fabulous panel to talk about lights, camera, service, transforming lives through TV. Join us on the E360 TV network, Fresh Takes channel at noon Pacific, 3 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern. This is going to be a very special show. We're going to be talking about how the Let's Talk Fabulous show has won a very prestigious award. Join us on Sunday and let's talk.